Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear or flush the DNS cache in the Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes websites may not load properly, show outdated content or display DNS errors. This usually happens because the browser stores DNS cache to speed up browsing. But when this cache becomes outdated or corrupted, it can cause problems. The good news is that you can easily clear the DNS cache in Opera GX in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, to open Opera GX browser on your computer. Now click on the address bar and type the following: chrome://net-internals/#DNS. I will put this one command in this one video description also. In case you need, you can copy it from there. After typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard. This will open the internal DNS settings page of the browser. Here you will see an option called clear host cache. Simply click on the clear host cache button. That's it. The DNS cache in your Opera GX browser is now cleared. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.